artificial intelligence. It's not just for tech wizards anymore. From the apps on your phone to the self-driving cars of tomorrow, AI is shaping our world. But here's the big question. Is AI just for tech geniuses? Or can anyone, yes, even you, dive into this fascinating world? Stick around, because today we're breaking down AI for everyone, whether you're a total newbie, a curious learner, or a seasoned pro. Let's face it, AI can feel intimidating. But here's the secret. AI isn't one size fits all. It's like a video game with different levels, and no matter where you are, there's a way for you to engage with it. So, let's explore AI for different levels of people. First up, we've got the beginners, people who just want to use AI without diving into the techie stuff. Think of tools like Siri, Alexa, or Netflix recommendations. These are powered by what we call narrow AI, designed to do one thing really well, like answering your questions or suggesting your next binge-worthy show. See, even beginners can have fun with AI, but it's not just about fun. AI is also helping beginners in practical ways, like Google Maps predicting the fastest route or Grammarly fixing your typos. You don't need to know how it works to benefit from it. Ready to level up? For those who want to learn more, AI tools like ChatGPT or image generators like DALL are perfect. You don't need a PhD, just curiosity. These tools let you create art, write essays, or even brainstorm ideas. It's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket. See, AI can even be poetic. But here's the cool part. AI tools are also helping learners dive deeper. Platforms like Coursera and DeepLearning.AI offer beginner-friendly courses on AI. You can learn the basics of machine learning, neural networks, and even how to build simple AI models, all from the comfort of your home. Now for the creators out there, this is where things get exciting. If you've ever thought, I want to build my own AI, tools like Python and TensorFlow are your new best friends. You can start small, like creating a chatbot, and work your way up to more complex projects that, don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. There are tons of free tutorials online to guide you. For example, GitHub has a roadmap for learning AI step by step, starting with Python basics and moving into machine learning frameworks. And if you're into hands-on learning, platforms like Kaggle let you practice with real-world datasets. Plus, there's a whole community of creators out there sharing their projects. From AI that generates music to AI that predicts stock prices, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a math genius to get started, just a willingness to learn. And finally, we have the experts, the people pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. These are the folks working on self-driving cars, medical diagnostics, and even AI that can write music or paint like Picasso. This is where we see artificial general intelligence, AI that's starting to think and reason like humans. Experts are also tackling some of the biggest challenges in AI, like making it ethical and unbiased. Did you know that AI can sometimes reflect the biases in its training data? That's why researchers are working on ways to make AI fairer and more transparent. And let's not forget the life-changing applications of AI. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier and develop personalized treatments. In climate science, it's predicting weather patterns and helping us combat climate change. The work of these experts is shaping the future of our world. So, whether you're just starting out or dreaming of building the next big AI breakthrough, there's a place for you in the world of AI. The best part? You don't have to do it alone. With tools, tutorials, and a little curiosity, anyone can join the AI revolution. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Beginners can use AI tools to make life easier. Learners can explore AI through courses and tools like ChatGPT. Creators can build their own AI projects with platforms like TensorFlow. And experts? Well, they're changing the world. Wait, before you go, here are some fun facts about AI. Did you know that AI can compose music? In fact, there's an AI that wrote a symphony performed by a full orchestra, or that AI is being used to create virtual influencers on social media. Yep, some of your favorite people online might not even be real. And here's a wild one. AI once beat the world champion at the game of Go. A game so complex it has more possible moves than atoms in the universe. Crazy, right? AI is full of surprises. So, what level of AI are you at? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is AI, and it's for everyone.